Hi everyone, it's Angela. Welcome to my channel. I would like to share with you some tips of how to choose the right wick for your candle according to your container's diameter. If you're new in this channel, consider subscribing. I'll be right back. The easy way to do this is to cut out the diameter of this container that I know is going to work with HPT 104 or the Eco 8. This container is gonna work with the smallest candle wick, and this will burn H to H as well, and I'm gonna trace it and cut it out. This one is 1.5 inches in diameter, and this one is 2.5. So trace it. And cut it out. I have a few already done here to play with it, and the new container is this one, and it's 4.5 inches in diameter. I'll trace this one and place the one that I know is gonna work, the Wick's HPT 104, and place 2 and see. I know that is not gonna work because the melting point is not gonna be strong enough to melt the wax H to H. So I need to use 3, and this 3 is gonna work fine. The melting point is gonna be strong enough to melt all the wax H to H. This other new container is 3.5 inches in diameter, and it's a little tricky because it has a border and it's a big gap from here to here, so I need to take into account that and deduct that from the diameter. Is this one right here. Just work with this diameter that I have here right now is 3 1/4 inches in diameter. For this one, the option I have is 4 of the 1.5 to 2 diameter. It's gonna burn H to H. Also, I can use the 2 double medium wood wicks, and the flame is gonna be strong enough and it's gonna work fine. Or this option, the largest wood wick, and I will put a double one. The melting point is gonna be strong enough that it's going to melt everything. In candles, it's just a trial and error, and every time I get a new containers, that's what I need to do. Next week I'm going to make the candles, and I'm going to follow up with how they're gonna burn and see, and I will show you step by step how it's gonna work. I hope you found this video insightful. If you did, thumbs up, and I will see you in my next videos. Until then, take care. Bye.